Good morning, children. This is your term book, page number 159. Page number 159. Open your textbook, page 159. Sense organs. S-E-N-S-E, sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, skin, ear, nose and tongue. Our sense organs: eyes, skin, ear, nose and tongue. The eyes and ears, nose, skin and tongue are our sense organs. Okay. These sense organs help us to see, hear, smell, touch and taste respectively. Okay. We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. We feel with our skin. Okay. Eyes. Eyes help us to see things around us. The eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyes. Eyelid, eyelashes. These are eyelashes. Okay. Eyelid and eyelashes protect our eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Eyes help us to see things around us. Eyes help us to see things around us. The eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyes. Okay. Next, ears. E-A-R-S. Ears help us to hear sounds. We enjoy hearing some sounds like music and the chirping of birds. Okay. Any sounds we hear with our ears. With our ears. Okay, children. Nose. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose helps, H-E-L-P-S. Nose help us to smell. We can smell the sweet scent of a flower as well as the bad smell from a garbage dump with help of nose. Okay. Already these sense organs I explained you previous class also. Nose help us to smell. We can smell the sweet scent of a flower as well as the bad smell from a garbage dump with the help of which sense organ? Nose. Skin. S-K-I-N, skin. Skin help us to feel things around us. Okay. The skin allows us to know whether these things are hot, cold, rough, smooth, hard or soft. Okay. This is soft. How we will touch? We can feel touch. We identify this is smooth. Okay. This is hard. How we can feel and we will identify this is hard. With touch we will identify this is hard. Okay, children. This is soft. How we will know this is soft? With touch we will know this is soft. Okay. Like this. This is Telugu textbook. What is this? Tell me, what is this? Telugu textbook. How we know this is the Telugu textbook? While seeing, with the help of our eyes, we can recognize this is Telugu book. With the help of eyes, we recognize this is Telugu book. Okay. While touch, we can identify this is book. But this is the Telugu book. This is the Telugu book. We identify with the help of our eyes. Ear. This is drum sound. How you will identify that is drum sound? With the help of ear. With the help of our ear, this is drum sound, drum beat. Okay. With the help of ear. Nose. Okay. One jasmine flower. While touching, there is flower, we can identify. But we can smell it. This is, wow, marvelous smell. That smell, we feel the smell, but we identify that is jasmine flower. That is rose flower. While smelling, we can identify. Close our eyes and smell the flower, and that is jasmine, and that is rose. We can identify while smell. Okay, children. Already I explained. We did the activity in 2nd grade. Okay. Next, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. The tongue helps us to taste different food items. The tongue helps us to taste different food items. Okay. Now you will eat one chocolate. Okay. That is very sweet. How you identify that is chocolate? While taste. Okay. That taste, which sense organ helps you? Tongue. Okay. Tongue. The tongue helps us to taste different food items. Okay. Once you tasted lemon. Sour. How you identify that is very sour? Which sense organ you have? Okay. Our tongue, with help our tongue, that is very sour. Okay, children? Did you understand? Okay. Sense organs. How many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs are there. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. How many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs. What are there? Eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin. Okay. We see with our eyes. We taste with our tongue. We smell with our nose. We touch with our skin. Once again repeat along with me. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. We can feel with our skin. Okay. Eyes. Eyes help us to see things around us. Ear. Ear help us to hear sounds. We enjoy hearing some sounds like music and chirping birds and different sounds. Nose. Nose help us to smell. We can smell the sweet scent of a flower as well as the bad smell from a garbage dump with the help of nose. While we passing the road, beside the road one garbage is there. While we passing, that time we can feel bad smell. How we will identify that time? How we identify that is the bad smell? With the help of nose, we identify. Oh, this is garbage. That's why this is bad smell. It's coming bad smell. Okay. Okay, children. Skin help us to feel things around us. The tongue help us to taste different food items. Okay, children. Thank you.